Have you forgotten your Apple Watch screen lock passcode? Don't worry, you can easily reset it and regain access to your watch. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Apple Watch if you forgot the passcode. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Erase all contact settings using iPhone. If your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch, then grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Resets. Tap Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Now tap Erase All Content and Settings. Again tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Apple ID password. And then tap Erase from the top right corner. If you did not pair your iPhone, then follow my next method. And this is how you can unlock your Apple Watch if you forget the passcode. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.